Hey guys, in today's video we're going to go over how to run Fortnite right here on your phone. Now it doesn't really matter which iPhone you've got, but obviously if you got a newer iPhone it's going to run slightly faster. You do not have to download Fortnite onto your phone in order to play it, and you don't have to download any apps for that matter. So I want to teach you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is open up Safari, and I'm just going to turn off my lights so you guys can see a little bit better. But anyways, just type in GeForce Now. Once you type in GeForce Now, you're going to see the first option. It should say GeForce Now. Go right into it. And this is the website where everything takes place. So I do want to mention that you could get this for free. So it is a free service, free membership. But there also is a paid membership that you guys can go on for. So right here, you guys will see that. I don't have the paid membership. I have the free one. And with the free one, it just takes a little bit longer. But I would start off using it for free and then consider getting the membership if you guys really like it. But other than that, you can always play for free. So there's no need to do that. Anyways, you're going to notice up here, if you tap there, you're going to see membership. Just tap on membership, go into allow. So all the way down, you will see this, and there's several options, or you can just join for free. Once again, we can always go to paid later on, but join for free now. So once you join for free and you did all that, just go up here on the top right. So again, that's going to be all the way on the top. You're going to see this icon for profile. And on the profile, if you just go down just a little bit, you're going to see this GeForce Now. My membership is free, and we can go on into play now. You're gonna see this, welcome to GeForce Now. You can go on and just browse games or just set up right now. What you want to do is set up right now. So set up to play, you're gonna see these steps. And once I'm gonna turn off my lights so you guys can see a little bit better. So step one is to share. That's down here below. You're gonna see this icon in the middle. You're gonna share. Then you're just gonna choose to add to home screen. And then from your home screen, you're gonna launch that. It's that easy. So we're gonna do that right now. Once you press on share, you're gonna see all this stuff. Just scroll down until you see this, where it says add to home screen. We're gonna add it on. Just leave it as is. You could change it to whatever name you want, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. Press on add. And then from here, you're gonna see this. This is not an app that you just downloaded. You just created quick access to it, basically. So let's just open it up. We're gonna see this, agree and continue. All right, so from here, what you wanna do is don't look for the game just yet. There's a ton of games that we can play. Go on the top right hand corner. You're gonna see this icon to log in. Just make sure to log in right now. So this is my login. I'm just gonna go into continue, and I'm fully logged in. Press on done. You can go ahead and take a look to make sure that you're logged in. So it says logged out account. That means I'm logged in. You can search for any games that you like or just play any of these. There's a ton of games that you guys can play, which includes Fortnite. So right now, here we have Fortnite, or I can just look for it up here. I can just type in Fortnite if you don't see it right away. And as soon as you start typing in Fortnite, it's gonna pop up. Just tap on it and then just press play. Now, when you're logging into GeForce and you get something like this, reconnect account, just go right into your settings. And from here, you're gonna see what you need to reconnect. In this case, I need to reconnect this account, my Epic Games. Just gonna tap on there. And just make sure to sign in with whichever makes sense to you. So if you have a PlayStation, most likely you signed in using your PlayStation, or Xbox. Maybe you created an Epic account, so go right into your Epic account. Technically, whichever way you signed up, these would be your Epic accounts, if that makes sense. So right now, I'm just gonna tap on the first option. And once you log in, all you have to press is done. And right now, you should see that it's all connected. So right now it says disconnect. I could connect this if I want to. I could connect Steam if I wanted to, but all I need really is Epic Games at the moment. Once you're done that, you can go back into games, launch Fortnite. We're gonna tap on play. It's gonna connect up. So once we tap on play, you're gonna see this, looking for next available. So this is the thing when it's not paid membership, you do have to wait quite a bit. If you pay, you won't, or you won't wait that long at all, actually. But right now we have 27, 26 gamers ahead of me, which is not bad. Sometimes it's 80, 100, 200. So you have to wait quite a while. At this point, there's really nothing that we can do but just wait until the game starts. I guess while we wait for it to connect, I could mention that if you don't have an Epic Games account, you haven't played Fortnite before, you can just go into Safari and make one up right now. So actually, even before doing this, you should go into Safari, just go into epicgames.com, create an account. It's just gonna ask you for your email, then create a password. I would activate 2FA if possible. If you can't, no big deal, but it's good to have 2FA just for your own security. But anyways, once we are all ready, it's gonna say loading, and that's it. We're about to play Fortnite right here on your phone. So at this point, most likely you're not gonna want to play Fortnite like this. Turn it to the side, and here you go. Get ready to play Fortnite. Let's go, accept, and we're gonna log in. As you guys can see, I didn't download Fortnite. I didn't have to update Fortnite. If you're using GeForce Now, that's how it works. And this is exactly how it's supposed to work. So I'm just gonna go here, view my rewards. I'm gonna equip the guys, equipped, and here I am. So at this point, you can just log into any game mode, squads, or anything else. I'm just gonna play right away so you guys can see. I'll do squads. There is sound. I just turned off the sound so it doesn't get in my way from you guys seeing this. I guess I'll turn off the lights now so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, so we're gonna load into the game. Everything's gonna be normal. Oh, you guys can get rid of this, by the way. It doesn't have to be there. All right, so we just load into the game as normal. And it's just gonna be a normal game. If you guys haven't played with mobile before, then this would be a different experience. But here we go. So how slow will this be? How much lag do you get? Well, it does depend on your internet speed, obviously, but you don't technically need that much internet speed with GeForce Now. And that's the point of GeForce itself. Okay, now I can see that my lights don't make really a difference. I'm just gonna turn on the lights again. We're just gonna land in anywhere, really. And there we go. We get to play some Fortnite. I didn't land with my teammates, but it's okay. A little bit of lag there. We're gonna try to see how much lag we get, actually. There we go. All right, but that's how you guys can just play Fortnite on your phone, whichever iPhone you've got. This will work with Android as well. Do want to mention that. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.